Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the Google Pay app and sign in with your Google account. Unlock your phone and confirm any biometric or PIN prompt to continue. Tap the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen to view recent payments and requests. Scroll the list to scan transactions by date and amount. Use the search bar at the top to locate payments by merchant name, dollar amount, or specific date ranges. Tap any transaction in Activity to open its full details screen. You will see the receipt, payment method, and transaction status clearly displayed. Scroll for timestamps, payment ID, and any attached notes or messages. Use the Filters button to narrow results by date range, type, or status for faster searching. From the details screen, you can export, share, or screenshot receipts for records or reimbursements when needed. Open a browser and go to Pay. Google.com to view your full transaction history online. Sign in with the same Google account to access exports and older records beyond the app view. Choose Download Statement to save a CSV or PDF for a specific date range and for bookkeeping. If recent transactions are missing, refresh Activity, check account filters, and confirm which Google account is signed in. Contact Google Pay support if you need help disputing charges or recovering receipts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.